Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn about English short story. Title: Never Give Up. In the bustling city of England, there worked an office employee named Alex, known for his dedication and hard work. Alex had always dreamt of climbing the corporate ladder. However, as he took on more responsibilities, challenges started piling up. One day, a major project that Alex had been leading encountered unforeseen complications. Deadlines were missed, and the team faced criticism from higher ups. Feeling overwhelmed and disheartened, Alex contemplated giving up on the project altogether. But then he remembered a story his grandfather had told him in his childhood about a persistent ant that managed to move a giant grains of rice by never giving up. Inspired this memory, Alex decided to tackle the project head on, seeking guidance from colleagues and working late nights to find solutions. Slowly but surely, the project started to recover. Alex's determination and refusal to give up motivated the team to push through. They brainstormed innovative ideas and collaborated more effectively than ever before. Eventually, the project was successfully completed, and the clients was impressed by their resilience. Through this experience, Alex learned a valuable lesson. Challenges are inevitable, especially in the corporate world. But giving up is never the solution. He realized that it's during tough times that one's true potential shines. With dedication, perseverance, and a positive mindset, he not only achieved his professional goals but also earned the respect and admiration of his colleagues. The moral of the story is that in the world of office challenges, giving up is not an option. By staying committed and working through difficulties, one can achieve success and personal growth beyond their imagination. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update.